What's up, credit repair business owners? I'm finally going to reveal the secret on how to add predictability into your credit repair business. So check this out really quick. This over here is Bullseye Credit. We started working with these guys maybe a year ago. And within the first 7 months, we raised 600K. And within about a year and a half, we're up to 2 million. And I wonder who you'll be thinking, but Blade, this is probably just a once in a lifetime opportunity. Well, you're mistaken. Check this out over here. Testimonials, success stories, our ads. Check this out, guys. We absolutely doing the best for our clients over here. So guys, now that I showed enough proof, that's enough for that. Let me actually dive deep into the strategy that has allowed me to finally add predictability to just about every single credit repair business I've worked with. And before we start, all this is put down right over here, creditrepairmarketing.com. So for any of this, you want to broken it down, if you want me to do it for you guys, check out that site. We got it handled. All right, so guys, let's get straight into this. Because really, guys, this is a pretty simple system. It's a standard 3-step system, in which case, let me take out my handy dandy whiteboard to just exemplify how easy this system really is. All right, like I said, 3-step system. Step 1, social media foundations. Step 2, run ads. Step 3, close deals. Guys, it is quite literally that easy. You're taking a puzzle, and each different puzzle piece needs to fit in order to have the puzzle overall come out with a big picture. So let me explain my system and what we do for our credit repair clients. So first things first, what we want to do is you want to make sure we get you in touch with our social media foundations. We want to make sure that your social media presence is completely on par, so that when we're driving traffic to it, people automatically see you as an expert in your field and have no doubt in spending upwards of $1,000 with you. So what we got to do is you got to make sure your entire social media presence is optimized so that when leads and prospects hop on your Instagram, your Facebook, any piece of your social media, they immediately know you as a go-to credit repair expert, and they immediately trust you. In addition to making sure that you have proper call to actions, proper stuff in your bio, links, different things like that, we also want to make sure that you are also active on your social media and that your social media automatically distinguishes you as somebody not to F with, as somebody as the head in credit repair. So what we want to do is you want to make sure that you're posting on your social media videos on how to fix credit, on providing just straight up just value so people trust you, showing your face so that when people look at you, they see your face, they know they can trust, they see that you're providing value. So they're going to feel like, all right, this guy's providing free value. Imagine what would happen if I actually pay this guy. And then better yet, guys, who would people buy from? Would they buy from somebody that has 100 followers or somebody that has 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 followers? Who are you willing to buy from more? So what we also do is you make sure your social media has enough content, at least 6 to 9 posts to fill up the social media profile on your phone or on desktop. Most people are on the phone. And then we make sure you have enough followers, comments, and likes to back that SHIT up. Beautiful. Now, one of the ways that we ensure that we post on our social media is we use our CRM over here that allows us to distribute content very, very easily. And for this, let me show an example on my actual page. Great. So with the help of our beautiful social media planner, you can connect virtually unlimited social media accounts, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Google My Business even. And let's say you have 50 TikTok accounts. You want to post on all 50 accounts at once. Guys, this makes it super easy to do so, to group different social media accounts, posting your Facebook pages and groups, different things like that, and just overall to make your content distribution a whole lot easier. Matter of fact, what you can even do, your graphic designer or your video editor puts a draft on here on the social media planner. And then what you could do is then you can go in here under the approval list and approve all the content to then be distributed on that scheduled time. Just making content distribution so much easier. Beautiful. So the first thing, like we said, social media foundations. Step 2 is what we do is we want to run ads, and we run our ads in a very specific way. The way we run our ads is first, we got to go into, let me actually share my screen once again, and then I'll show you a couple of ad examples. Beautiful. Run ads. Let's go over to here now. Boom. So the way we run our ads is you want to make sure first we are targeting highly specific people that are ready to buy, because we don't freaking waste our time. We want to make deals here. So what we do is we specifically target a certain type of people. Targeting. First person that we will target is anybody that has a failed transaction or has / abandoned cart. Next thing that we're going to want to target, our second thing that we want to target is create a lookalike audience of 1 to 2% based on past clients. Beautiful. So we want to make sure that we're hitting abandoned cart users. We want to make sure that we're hitting past clients. We want to make sure we're hitting website visitors and social engagers. All this over here is our direct people that are most likely ready to convert. This is the highest quality over here. Then what we do is we kind of branch out from not necessarily just in our network, but we want to go outbound now as well too. And the way we do this is we do this by going outbound with ads by leveraging AI. But Blade, how do we do this? Well, let me break this down to you guys. What we do is we scrape all of your competitors' data. All right. We're able to ethically scrape your competitors' data, and based upon anybody that has, leave a bad Google My Business review, leave a bad Trustpilot review, anybody that has commented on their social media posts, liked the posts, shared the posts, tagged other people in their posts, we're able to target competitors' engagers. Isn't that pretty cool? We're able to ethically target other engagers. Now, what we're also able to do is we're able to target specific YouTube videos. So what we want to ensure that we do is that before one of your competitors' videos plays, a competing credit repair business's video plays on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, wherever it is, we want to make sure that your ad pops up before it. All right. So we want to make sure that your ad pops up before any of your competitors does. All right, so we're really ethically stealing your competitors' data by leveraging AI, guys. This is quite literally incredible. And now the final thing is first one, competitor engagers. Next one is the YouTube videos. And then finally, what we want to ensure that we do is you want to ensure that our competitors as well too, we want to make sure that we scrape anybody that has commented on it. So what we're able to do is anybody that comments on your competitor's social media, we can also then target those people. Well, but what we can even do is even better is we can target followers. So if you have, for example, let's talk about Credit Karma. Credit Karma is a major player, in terms of credit monitoring. I know it's not the official legit one. I know FICO reports on Identity IQ and Smart Credit are better, but no problem. You use Smart Credit or Identity IQ. Identity IQ has an Instagram. Anybody that's following Identity IQ is at least somewhat interested in the credit monitoring service. So what we can do is we can target by followers, scrape all the followers, and boom, target those specific people. So that's how we handle the targeting to ensure that everybody comes in is at least ready to fix their credit and they're very, very highly qualified. Next thing that we do is from here, we take these people that are coming, we take this traffic in. Let me get my little writing thing over here so I can start drawing. So all these people over here, what we do first is we want to ensure that these people go to our social media. Because what we find is that when you take people to Messenger and to Instagram DM, you're going to get a cheaper cost per result than bringing people directly over to the funnel. The main reason being is because Facebook and Instagram, they're a business, guys. They want to keep you on their social platform for as long as possible. So when you pull people out of the social platform and bring them over to a website or funnel or even a webinar, the cost to do so is going to be higher because, like I said, they want to keep them on the social platform. So they encourage you to do so by giving you a cheaper cost per result on keeping them on the social platform. So what we do is we take them over to Messenger. We take them over to either Messenger, IG, DM, or Facebook Messenger, all right? But now you're going to have all this massive influx of traffic coming over to your social media platform, guys. And I can't possibly expect you to handle all that traffic coming to your messengers, to your conversations. Expect you to be able to handle that 24/7 because we all know the later it takes for you to be able to respond to a lead, the more likely they are going to go to some sort of competitor. More likely they're going to start price matching with other people. And that's the last thing that we want them to do. So we want to make sure that as soon as they hit that inbox, we're responding to them right away and providing them value. The way we do this is next, boom, boom, is we do AI, guys. We hit this up with an AI VA. We call it AVA for short. In which case, this AVA is going to do a couple of really, really cool things. First, obviously, we're going to make sure we get the email, we're going to make sure we get the phone number, but that's pretty standard over there. We already know we're going to get that, right? Because we're better than that. But we want to make sure that, more importantly, they're actually qualified. These are qualified prospects that want to fix their credit ASAP. So we ask them specific questions like bankruptcy. Have you ever had a bankruptcy before? current score. But more importantly, really more importantly, we want to make sure that, hey, do you have enough of a budget to handle credit repair? We want to make sure that we figured out, want to future pay someone a little bit. So what do you want to fix your credit for? Why do you want to fix your credit? Next, we're going to ask them is you want to make sure that they sign up for your credit monitoring service first. So our AI virtual assistant, Ava for short, is able to then make sure that they sign up for your credit monitoring service, your affiliate credit monitoring service, whether it be Smart Credit or Identity, whatever it is, prior to actually hopping on a call with you. What this is going to do is, let's say we're running ads to this. Let's say that for every $100 that you spend over here on running ads, you're going to get another client for 1K, all right? Beautiful. But because we are able to then get them signed up for credit monitoring, let's say you're using Smart Credit, in which case they pay you $40 for signing somebody up for credit monitoring. That $100 is not longer going to be $100. Now it's only be every $60 that you spend, you're going to sign up a credit for clients. Boom. So further, just bringing down that cost per result for you. Let's say that for some reason that they went to the messenger, they didn't finish up the AI VA that does follow up on them when they become stale. But let's say they don't schedule an appointment directly through that Ava, in which case, the Ava's gonna respond to them like, hey, you free tomorrow at 3 p.m. Person respond back like, no, I'm free maybe at 4 p.m. And it's a scheduled appointment directly onto your calendar. But let's say for some reason they didn't schedule on there. What we then do is retarget them with a funnel. I forgot to add this, but the reason why we retarget these guys with a funnel is because on the Ava, the AI virtual assistant on Messenger, for whatever reason, they didn't schedule up an appointment. Maybe it's because they don't have all the information, they don't understand the process, maybe they don't know pricing yet. There's some sort of friction that's stopping them from scheduling up a actual sales call with you. So what we do is we retarget them with the funnel, because on the actual funnel, similar to a website, just only focused more to get to do that specific conversion action. But on the actual funnel has all the info, all the FAQs, maybe even add the pricing, the process, and a video to overcome all of those objections to eventually get them to schedule up that appointment for you. Cool. So that's the actual ads that we run. Now, number 3 comes down to mainly the back-end business automation that we have in place for you. So what we do is we want to make sure that we have the best, absolute most automated back-end business system in place. The way we do this is we orient funnels, we orient automations, and we orient all these backend emails and text messages, needs nurturing, all these different things that throughout the pipeline, throughout your prospect's journey, we're making sure that you're constantly on top of them. So the final point is to actually make those sales. So we do this in a couple of ways. We do this with our amazing CRM powered by Go High Level. Go High Level is honestly the best CRM with the best customer support they can possibly find out there. What we have over here is everything that you need to possibly have to anything between nurturing sales, closing sales, and onboarding clients. We got already automated for you so that you can be making sales on the beach, drinking a martini. Beautiful. So all your conversations over here are going to be handled, boom, right through here. You can handle all your Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, email, do my business messages, all right through here. You can add templates on here because if you're saying the same thing multiple different times, you can have a template and just have it set, just have it pre-filled easily for you. Dashboard over here is going to show you all your analytics, the amount you're closing, all that other good stuff, statistics and different things like that. Next one over here is your entire contact list. Your contact list over here is going to allow you to import a massive list of leads or past clients on here. You can add tags onto here and you can directly click on their name, which will take you over to their contact field, in which case on the left side over here, you can have different fields over here that you can fill out for them. Like for example, if you require their social security code over here, you can put it onto here. Documents, you can upload specific documents for every file over here. So if you want to put on to verify the address, they got to have like a utility bill, put it over here. All your scheduled appointments, you can see them over here. Notes, tasks, their funnel activity or where they're coming from over here. So you can quite literally see what ad these people are coming in from. All the other custom fields and different things like that, you can check out over here. Your DND, your offers over here, explain that a little bit later, your opportunities, your workflows, what exact automations that they're on right now. Opportunities, I'm going to show you that in a second. Offers, I'm going to show you that in a second. Cool. You can do both actions, in which case you can send out massive emails, text messages, and voicemail drops to a whole bunch of people. Add tasks over here, company, manage smart list, all that other stuff. It requires you to kind of go into here, kind of take a look at it. Over your pipelines, this is now a great way to be able to keep your entire anything between your onboarding and sales sequences all just in one place and under control, all easily managed. So over here, I have a basic one. So we got credit repair leads, then we got fulfillment, and then we got mortgage broker acquisition. Talk about mortgage broker acquisition in a second. That's gonna be a little bonus. I'm gonna give you that alpha at the very end of this video. So recommend you take a look at that mortgage broker acquisition. That shit's crazy. What I'm trying to say is that we have two pipelines over here, main ones. The first one is our actual sales pipeline, credit repair leads with appointments over here. In which case, the new lead, as soon as they hop on that Instagram or your Facebook inbox, they start talking to Ava, boom, over here. If they don't end up scheduling up an appointment, it's going to pop up over here. If they schedule up an appointment, free consult booked. If they say that they're somewhat interested, you're gonna move them over to here. They don't immediately buy right off the back. Move over to needs nurture. If they miss the consult, it will move them over to here. They signed up over here, which will then also add them to the onboarding pipeline. If they say that, hey, follow up with me later, put them over to here. But the amazing part of this board over here, which is kind of like a Trello board, is that throughout every single pipeline that you put them over to here, every single time you move them over, it's an add to the automation. So over here, we have this one set up so that whenever they schedule up an appointment, it's also going to ask them to confirm the appointment to then send them out the appointment reminders. So over here, it's going to send them out text messages and emails, making sure that they confirm the appointment, saying, hey, we take these appointments very seriously. We typically charge like $500 for these appointments, and then we don't give out any other free ones. So they confirm the appointment, replying yes, and then they send them out the appointment reminders. If they miss the consult over here, boom, 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 just like that. It sends them out more reminders. Needs nurture one. I love this one. So somebody says that they're somewhat interested, not ready to buy yet. Put them into ear to send them out emails and text messages to then bring them back in, making sure that you're on top of their mind. This one goes out for like 6 months. Next one over here is the actual signed up one. Boom, boom, boom. From here, it's going to take them over to the onboarding sequence, onto the actual fulfillment one over here. Onboarding round 1, 2, 3, 4, had to handle all those dispute rounds to keep track of everything. 90-day follow-up didn't close. All these good stuff over here. And obviously, all these are very easily customizable over here, in which case you can edit to however you want it to be. Next one is payments. Now, what you can do is you can create proposals, estimates, subscriptions, products, different things like that, coupon codes over here, and you can integrate it to NMI, Authorize.net, Stripe, PayPal. I know a lot of you credit repair guys aren't able to use Stripe, but Authorize.net in conjunction with like Billsby or ChargeBee is a great use, is a great high risk merchant that's going to allow you to just run your credit repair business. Beautiful. So this section is kind of simple over here. I'm sure you guys have used something like this before. But yeah, invoices, proposals, and estimates. You add people to recurring subscriptions. You can see all your transactions, your products, your coupons, different things like that. We already talked about marketing, but we can check out the social planner, our emails. On the social planner, what we also use is AI to be able to write copy for you. We also have a massive library of graphics that you can use for example, like Black Friday deals, Cyber Monday deals, all over in here. Emails, we also have a massive library of email templates on here as well too, that you can utilize to your advantage. So guys, we're trying to make things just overall just very simple for you. Over here, you can check out all of our other email templates. Check this out. Email marketing templates. You can check out all the ones that we use over here. You probably want to use one like financial. Over here, financial. Boom, boom, boom. You can check them all out. We got a whole bunch over here, over 1,000 different email templates. Now, here are the actual automation. So I think the best way of going over these automations is to kind of list a lot out for you. Give me a quick second. Beautiful. All right. So like I said, now these are the automations over here. So what we do is we have 8 client workflow automations. The after client workflow, client onboarding, issue with their credit monitoring, new late payment, high utilization, client education, review request, and update payment method. These can be found over at client workflows over here. Boom, boom, boom. These are for your active clients, people that you sell. All workflows that handle the above funnels. So those would be our lead workflows right over here. Lead workflows over here, in addition to the funnel workflows over here. Boom, boom, boom. And like I said, with the pipeline over here, you got the 90-day reactivation campaigns, you got the needs nurture campaigns, stale for 90-day reactivation campaigns, everything to make you successful, baby. All right, lead workflows, form from AI to schedule, form from schedule manual, ManyChat to appointment setter, needs nurture going 4 months out, V1 and V2 to split test, leads for 90-day reactivation campaign, V1 to V2 to split test, stale for 90-day reactivation campaign, V1 and V2 to split test. Guys, we got every workflow imaginable to make sure that you make money. Mortgage broker referral system, we talk about that in a second. Schedule workflows, appointment schedule with confirmation, appointment schedule without confirmation, didn't schedule, activate AI, appointment no show. Whoa, that's a lot, guys. Pretty much these schedule workflows over here are built out. We give you options so you can kind of use what you feel comfortable with. Obviously the one with the confirmation, it makes sure that they respond to the conversation, the confirmation with yes. That's going to confirm the appointment and send them out the confirmation, the appointment reminders. Whereas the one without the confirmation doesn't ask them to respond yes. Didn't schedule it. They didn't schedule it to activate your AI Go High Level Eliza bot, which is then going to talk to them to make sure they schedule up an appointment. Appointment no show. Pretty much just a reactivation campaign. It's an add into the needs nurture campaign later, but it's pretty much saying, hey, you missed out this appointment. Why don't you reschedule? And then after that, it adds into the needs nurture campaign, which goes out for, 4 months. So 3 week trainings, we'll talk about that later. So let's go into something about the automations too, because I really do want to talk about this mortgage broker referral system. And then after that, let's talk about the actual funnels that we have over here. Oops, let me go there. But then after that, let's talk about the actual funnels. But the way this mortgage broker referral system really works, actually, we go over to the Python over here so I can break this down how this shit works. This shit prints. So literally just yesterday, a mortgage broker contacted me asking for credit report companies to be able to send prospects that can get approved for a mortgage. Or even you can do this with car dealerships as well too. Basically anything that has to do with loans and where people can get unapproved for something. So what we do is we scrape, 500, 1,000, 10,000 mortgage brokers within your area, and we send them out a series of emails. Emails usually a 3-step email sequence, pretty much saying, hey, that we specialize in helping people get approved for their mortgage by fixing their credit in 30 to 90 days. Obviously, all that call to action, you can kind of change up. That offer, you can kind of change up as well too. You might not have the same guarantee as some of our other clients do. But what you're able to do is you're able to send out all these massive emails to all these different mortgage brokers. And then based upon anybody that has at least clicked on that email or replied on the email, we add them over to here, clicked email link. In which case, on the clicked email link, then you can call those people up because they're at least somewhat interested. People over here, the other option is to schedule on the funnel or on the email. And then boom, over here is deal. So the entire point of this is to form mutually beneficial business relationships between mortgage brokers and car dealerships and the credit per business, so that whenever they have somebody that comes in and can get approved for a mortgage because of shitty credit, they send them over to your credit per business, you fix the credit, and then you send it back to the mortgage broker. And it's very simple over here with our CRM, because when the mortgage broker sends you in a prospect, a lead, a client, just add a tag saying which mortgage broker it came from, and we're done fixing the credit, just send them back their way. This way you both can win. It's a win-win situation, a scenario. And this is actually done phenomenal. Let me actually show you something really quick. So check this SHIT out. This is my buddy that used this mortgage broker referral system, in which case what it does, like I said, it gets you more relationships with the mortgage brokers. And this guy's already bringing over 7 clients using this similar system. Guys, it is a very, very simple system that absolutely just works. Building your network with mortgage brokers, real estate agents, even dentists, car dealerships, different things like that. People that offer Invisalign, LASIK, where in which case people need to oftentimes finance those big things. Those are great business relationships that you can form with these people to constantly get you referred over more business, more clients. And that just makes overall an easy way to do so. Now, the last thing I want to go over here, reporting over here, reputation, really quick. Reporting is just a way to be able to see all your ad attribution, in which case your analytics for Facebook, Instagram, Google ads, TikTok ads, LinkedIn ads, all that different good stuff over here, So let me just pop this out really quick, and then go over reputation, memberships, and then I want to go over the funnels. So you see all your Google ads, your Facebook ads, your call reporting. By the way, guys, all your phone calls on here can and will be recorded. So we can set it up for that. You can either have recording or not recording as well too. Just a cool way to be able to just keep track of everything and just listen back to maybe your sales managers' sales calls to be able to help them out. Reputation over here is to be able to help you Google My Business reviews. You can even send review requests just like this, email and text message, just like that. Memberships over here are so that you are able to create courses, freebies, memberships, all these different things over here, products and offers to be able to offer, freebies and different ebooks and different things like that. Let me show you what mine looks like. Beautiful. So check this out over here. This is an older membership site that I'm not really using too much. My main one's from Hacker Labs now. But what I'm trying to say is that you can create a membership on here, in which case people log in and they see all your training modules, all your courses, all your freebies, all your ebooks, different things like that. You can even create communities. So kind of similar to like a Facebook group community. You can create that, but using your own or your own website URL. You can have a community or a group or a team .funnelhackerlabs.com, whatever you want to call it. And you also give out awards and other certificates to kind of gamify everything. But now my favorite part over here, the bread and butter, is the actual funnels. So let's talk about that really quick. So we got 14 credit repair funnels that you can leverage. We got affiliate partnership funnel, business funding funnel, freebie funnels, credit monitoring, self-on-board funnel, mortgage broker acquisition funnels. All of them can be found over here. And the way we have it set up is over here, the landing page options, booking confirmation page. Your basic funnel is going to look pretty similar to that, in which case you go to credit repair simple funnel. And any of these pages that you want to change out, you change it out with the step 1, 2, or 3 over there. Landing page, survey, landing page schedule and confirmed. In which case, let's say that you want higher quality. You don't want so many people scheduling up appointments with you. You rather have higher quality rather than so many scheduled appointments. Move the survey to before the schedule. In which case, on the contrary, that let's say that you want, just more people scheduling. Move the survey to after the schedule. Pretty simple as that. Well, this landing page, this schedule page, this confirmation page can be easily changed out to the other templates that we have available over here. Like we said, we have 14 different landing page options that you can utilize. Let's go through here, boom, boom. All these different landing pages you can check out and you can utilize over here. And if you want to check out these landing pages, go to creditrepairfunnels.com. Once again, credit repair funnels, repair funnels, for sale, and you can get a good overview of all the funnels that we actually have available as well too. Or if you want to buy just directly a funnel from us right then and there, just like that. You got to get it customized or just get the template yourself. Cool. Those are the other landing page options that we have available there. Booking page, confirmation page, other templates that you can use to build up that main funnel of yours. You got the affiliate funnel over here, pretty much to ask for affiliates, get people to sign up for affiliates, to get people to sign up with you and start referring you over more business. You got the business funding funnel over here, in which case we have 2 options for that one. The credit repair simple funnel, freebie funnel over here, in which case you can offer ebook, different things like that. You can offer dispute letters for free. This is the funnel over here, or the 6-step funnel that actually gets them to sign up for credit monitoring on the actual funnel as well. Legal access like privacy policy in terms of use, different things like that. And finally, the legendary mortgage broker acquisition funnel, which works in conjunction with those emails that I was talking to you about to be able to get you more mortgage brokers to refer you over credit repair clients, guys. So beautiful. This is the entire credit repair client acquisition machine, El Machina, guys. It's what's causing these people to close 1 deal a day. It's what's causing these people to just live a life of financial freedom, of abundance, guys, and just overall add more predictability to your credit repair business. So if you're here and you want to be able to add some more predictability in your credit repair business, if you're here and you want to fill up your sales calendar with people that have already signed up for your credit monitoring before the actual sales call, guys, look no further. Hop over to creditrepairmarketing.com right now. And once again, head over to creditrepairmarketing.com right now. This is going to show you the grand overview on how everything over here works, how we deliver these fantastic results for all our credit repair clients, guys. And if you want, schedule a call with me. I'll be more than happy to explain this and how you can leverage AI and all these other systems over here into your credit repair business. Because the way I see it, guys, the more money I make you, the more you end up paying me. So it's one of my best interests to make you as successful as humanly possible. Guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. Any questions, comments, concerns, guys, let me know. There's plenty of ways to get in contact with us. All right, guys, cool. And before we let you guys know that we're in the business of making credit repair millionaires. So by the end of this next year, we want to make another 5 to 10 credit repair millionaires. So we're only going to be working with a handful of people. So make sure you click the link down below, schedule your own AI funnel mapping session with yours truly or another one of my funnel building experts. And let's get you started right away. Like I said, guys, we're going to make 5 to 10 new credit repair millionaires this year, this upcoming new year. So limited spots are available. Let's see you win, guys. It's our best interest to make you win because the more millions we make you, the more millions you end up paying us. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, everybody. God bless, and let's see you at the top.